Right everyone, I'm just going to take you through the kits I've got on sale. Now this one's marked down at 20, but I've reduced it now. Let me just make sure I've got a pen that works. I've reduced this to 18. It's worth the £20, but I've reduced it to 18. Now I'm going to share this with you, because I can only keep them so long. I need the room, so I have to keep things moving. And I'm not going to take everything out of the bag, so you'll be able to see what there is. So we've got the heart fabric underneath, which is a non-woven fabric. You've got some beautiful wine coloured satin, large tag, some red organza, red trim. This one you've got 6 stick pins and lots of appliques and bling, matching bling. Some more red trim, red beads. Again, they're all for you to break apart, red jewellery. This one's got more bling in. That's tassel trim, beaded tassel trim, flowers, more bling bling. More flowers here, all red, all matching, so you can do something in red. And some stamen, different ones, and some red roses. Now, you're getting all of that for £18. So if anyone's interested in that, I've just reduced it down to £18. Let me know on this video. The shipping for the UK has gone up, but it's £3, I think it's £3.60 for a parcel, and for overseas it's £10.40 for this size parcel and weight. Right, so like I say, all of that for £18, that is a really good deal, because the jewellery itself is worth a tenner, you know. So but like I say, we troll everywhere we can, car boots, charity shops, to get as much as we can, so your money is well spent. I like people to be able to buy a kit from me and go, wow, Fee, what loads in there. And there's enough in there to do more than one project. Like I say, our kits, you generally get 2 to 3 projects out of them. So that's been reduced to £18. That's the red kit. If anybody wants it, let me know. First come, first serve, of course. Then I've got the Latte Kit. Now I'm not going to be... Oh yeah, I'll have to. Because people want to see what they're buying, don't they? Of course they do. So in the Latte Kit, I'm not going to dismantle it all and unbag it all. But what I'll do is just pull it out for you to have a quick look. I have 4 of these available. These are £12. £12, folks. Come on. I could easily get 20 quid for this. But we want you to be able to enjoy your crafting. You're getting a canvas picture. All pictures are different. Beautiful ribbon. This is a thank you bag. That's a thank you bag. So I'm going to go through that with you. Flowers, stick pin, trims, beads, bag of goodies for you to play around with. Ombre ribbon. Satin fabrics, different fabrics. You're getting a tag with the wadding, with the satin fabric underneath. You're getting some bling trim, feathers, all of this, and the crochet trim. I'm not going to take it all out, but I am going to get it back in now. You know, all of that, and some tassel trim, 2 different sorts. You have 3 with that one for £12. I can't believe you're not snapping this up. It's been on the shop for a couple of months now, and you know, normally they sell out, but I don't think people knew what was in them, even though we've put the pictures up. And this, in this thank you bag, every one of these kits has got one of these. Let's just have a quick look. Whoa! Well, yes, that's what. I'm going to have to pick that up now. I didn't see that. Hang on a minute. Let me get that out. There we go. You've got lots of goodies. Even one of Julie's beads, bead caps, flat backs. Everything to match, all colour coordinated. Hang on. some more bits and pieces in there. Teardrop pearls, roundels, bead caps, pair of earrings that you can break apart. Lots and lots of goodies for 12 quid. You know, if I sold the necklace on its own, I'd get £3.50 for it. So, right, I need to pick that one bead up. Where did it go? I thought there was one more went under there. Yes, I'm going to see if I can grab that with my scissors. There we go. I've got you. It rolled under the deck, another one of those. So, like I say, there's 4 latte kits. They are £12. I'm not reducing them anymore. These have been reduced, and that's why we made 12 kits, I think, and sold most of them apart from the last 4. So, they're keeping at that price. £12 if you're interested. These are on the shop. The Latte Kit, they're called, because of the colour. So that's 4 of those. The red one you need to say on this video. Yeah, this one's just a bag of all kinds. Different trims. Let's just have a look. You know, if anybody's interested, you just have to let me know. So, we've got some goodies in here. Right, there is some gold glitter. But you could just decorate the jar. Some letters to play around with, and they're wooden. And this is job lot number 4, and it's £7.50. You have lots of trim. I mean, the trim alone's worth that. So it's crochet trim. The broad and 1 inch and then 1.5 inch. You've got Little Devil and some chipboard shapes. The sticky back, you just peel the back off for you to play around with. I won't be beaten on prices, I know that for a fact. So I'm just going to seal this one up. But because I am who I am, I'm going to reduce that, yes. And I'm going to reduce that to £6.50. But no less than that. I'll never go any lower than that because it's worth it. So if you're interested in the job lot number 4, say on this video. Now I've got this absolutely beautiful. It's a purple bling kit. This, I have it on for £22.50 because it's worth it. I add up everything that's in a kit, so I know it's worth it. And I'm going to reduce this one to £20. Now, if you miss this, be it you know, on your head. 6mm chipboard heart. That is chock-a-block with all kinds of things. And I can only stress that if you miss the sale, you miss the sale. So, let me just see if I can fish out some, because it's bagged up, all of it, I think. Okay, right. Stunning, absolutely beautiful crushed velvet purple. Right. So, hang on. With a heart, wooden heart, and that's 6mm wooden heart. Beautiful purple feathers. You don't have to use them all on one project. In there, oops, got a little feather loose. Let's put that in. In this bag, it's a purple flower, already made for you. And then in that little tub, you've got purple trimmings, little bling. Let's do it like that. This one again, handmade flowers, purple cord, purple ribbon. You don't have to use them all on that. Let me just see, that one. This one, we've got purple fabric, purple trimmings, different shades of purple. Absolutely stunning. Some different purple feathers. Have you seen those? They're like two-tone, very light purple to a dark purple. And they're top quality feathers. They're absolutely gorgeous. Then I've put some bling, some purple beads in. And that's just like a free gift in this one. A mixture of purple beads. But in this one, you've got a purple bracelet. That's a stretch one that you can take apart. Purple bobble trim. And then this is your bling bag. And look, we've put loads in. Loads of different purple colours, everything to take apart and have fun with. And that, I've knocked it down to £20, but it was worth the 22. So if anyone wants the purple kit for £20 plus shipping, let me know. And first come, first served. So that's the purple kit on this video. Let me know on this video. And it's first come, first served. So in this kit, let's just have a look what we've got. So we've got those trims, those appliques, and we've got a piece of that, appliques. Oh, there's two of those. That one, the heart one, three of the round ones. So it's an applique pack, and you've got a few roses in it. Again, those appliques, but you can make a butterfly with them. I've got videos out on how to do it, and you've two sets of those. Those you can cut out. Those in blue. And then you've got this long beaded trim, see? So it's the long beaded trim. And then a couple of those as well to play around with. And I'm going to say £4.50 for that. And that's a bargain. Okay? So if anybody's interested in the applique kit, it's £4.50. And that's a good little kit to play around with. Here we go. We can put some of these in. Just as an added bonus. Because I do like to treat you, as you know. I'm going to put some of the flat back pearls in. And I'm just going to grab a handful. There you go. Now those would sell for £1, do you know what I mean? So I'm also going to include a pack of that flat back pearls, sticky back. Oops, there's it. Ugh, that's sellotape and you get it stuck. So yeah, that's a really good deal for £4.50. Okay. Stay on this video. Again, it's a little tag kit. This is the blue tag. So I'm going to put a new label on it. So I need to put a new label on it. So I'm going to call this the blue tag kit. And you're getting it's a paper picture. But you can, if you do a picture transfer, you can put that onto something. And you glue it on using PVA glue. And then you wet the back when it's dried and rub it off and it leaves you the picture. So you can do that. Now that's got in some miniature spoon. It's got some lots of different bits and pieces for you to... Oh, look, a bird's nest as well. Lots of bits and pieces for you to play around with. We've got some ribbons, some laces, flowers and stick pins, and you've got a vintage stick pin as well. So, you know, you've got the coaster to play around with and the tag. And the fabric, which is blue satin and a blue netting. So, now, let me just see. If we do that, I've just got to work out the price. So, hang on. So I'm going to do that tag kit with all of that for £7.50 if you're interested. £7.50, and that's cheap at the price. And that's the blue tag kit. Righty ho. Oops, let's get that in there. Sorry, I don't want that too. The blue tag kit for £7.50. Say on this video if you're interested in that. You know what? I'm not going to do it at 7. I'm going to do it at 6. I like to give good deals, good bargains, and I like it that you lot come back for more. So that's the blue kit. Now, I've got one here. This is a green tag kit, £6.50. I'm going to do it the same price. So you're basically getting the tag, the fabric, the netting, the picture, and then you're going to get all the trimmings, all matching, and your flowers to match, and your stick pin, and a vintage pin as well. And all of that for £6.50. And then I have a pink tag kit as well. There we go. Yeah, this is a pink tag kit. It's got the picture in. It's got all the trimmings in. It's got all the goodie bags in. Look, lots of different trims and ribbons, and again you've got your stick pin and the vintage pin. That's a vintage pin, the round one there. Some ready-made pins, some to make up, flowers and beads, and an angel. Just lots and lots of goodies in there, and different trims. And that is the pink tag kits. £6.50. You're crazy if you miss them. Right, this one is one of the doll kits. So you get the vintage doll, the porcelain doll. Like that. So she's dressed, and you can redress her. And we've put in enough fabrics in that for you to make her a new dress. Little flowers, some braids and bits and pieces like that. And what I'm going to do as well is to add in some of these, because you may want to put these on around the skirt and that, so I'm going to do that as well. And that kit is £4. Yes, £4. The doll cost £4, but because we got them you know, either a car boot or a charity shop, I didn't pay that, so I can add the bits and pieces to it and charge the £4. £4, and that's the doll kit. The doll's worth £4. It's a porcelain. So, doll kit, £4 plus shipping, of course. But say it on this video if you want that one. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it for now. So if you're interested in any of those kits, do let me know. This kit, I have to say, for £20, it's a steal, and you're crazy if you miss it. Okay, thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.